Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm going to be recreating this very popular Trader Joe's lemon chicken arugula salad. Now, this is the first time I'm going to be trying to recreate a recipe, so I'm just copying the ingredients in the back. So stay tuned in the end where we're going to try my version and Trader's version. Whose is going to be better? Now let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting off by cooking 1 cup of red quinoa. You have to rinse the quinoa because the outside part is a little bit bitter. So give it a good rinse. And I'm going to add it to 2 cups of boiling water. You want to cook this as you would rice. So just bring your water up to a boil and then cover the pot. Put it on low and simmer it for around 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, you're gonna need some Israeli couscous, or you can find this as pearled couscous. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit thicker, like bigger balls than the more Mediterranean couscous. This, you're gonna treat as you would pasta. You wanna bring your water up to a boil, a big old pot, and then just dump it in there. There's about 2 cups of couscous, and you're gonna boil this for 8 minutes and then just put it through a strainer, strain all that water out. Here I have the chicken. Just so that it cooks faster, I'm gonna slice it and open this guy up. Season this with some salt, lemon juice, and some crushed garlic. While the chicken is still cooking, I'm gonna take these ingredients and chop them up. This is minced. The chicken is ready. You could just go ahead and add that to your chopping board to slice it up. Alright guys, the quinoa is ready. As you can see, it's been about 15 minutes. You can give it a fluff with your fork. The dressing to the salad is quite simple. You're going to take a blender and add a clove of garlic, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, the juice and zest of a lemon, 2 tablespoons of honey, cayenne pepper, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1/2 cup of olive oil, and last but not least, these are pimientos. I'm gonna drain them. I'm gonna blend this. Look at the color of this dressing. Alright guys, here I have all the chopped vegetables in a big bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the cooked couscous. This has slightly cooled just so that it won't wilt all the vegetables. Whoa. I have 1/2 of the amount of the red quinoa. This was also cooled as well. And because this couscous is so sticky, I'm gonna just give it a little drizzle of some oil. This is olive oil. On the ingredients, it actually says to use canola oil, but I'm using olive oil. Season all these vegetables and quinoa and couscous with a little bit of salt and a splash of white vinegar. Lastly, we're gonna add the turmeric powder. This is what gives it that beautiful yellow color in the package. This is about 3 dashes. And then the last ingredient, in my opinion, is the best. These are red currants, or no, they're just currants. Currants are only 1 color. You're gonna add them to your bowl like this. I would say about maybe like a 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup. This is a lot of salad, wow. How awesome. I'm actually gonna have a lunch for this week. Alright, I'm gonna mix everything up. Look how beautiful. These colors are just, they will blow anybody away. The smell of this is crazy. It smells so fresh. Okay, lastly, I have the cooked chicken here. It's been sliced. And I have here some arugula. That's it. This salad is ready. Can you guys believe how quick that was? How do they serve it? Let's see. Okay. So Let's examine this. This is the dressing. Let me get a fork. The chicken is to the side. And then we got the arugula. Oh, the couscous on the bottom, it's just so little. All right, guys, and now for the best part. I have Trader Joe's salad here and my version. Let's test them out. This is Trader Joe's dressing. I'm gonna put it on top. There we are. And then I have my dressing. Let's compare the colors. Hey, they're kind of similar. That's cool. This dressing came out fabulous. I couldn't believe when I tried it. I was like, this is a really weird arrangement of ingredients, but surprisingly, they work together very well. Here's a close-up. My version, Trader Joe's version. All right, so let's do Trader Joe's first. I'm scared. I've never done this before. Get a little bit of everything in there. Here we go. Cheers. I love this salad. Very good. It's very sweet and tangy. This one is really spicy too. Actually, it's a little more spicier than I can remember. All right, let's try mine. Got a little bit of everything in there. Let's see. Whoa. It's just like, this version, my version is there's so much like crispiness and freshness in here. Versus this one is a little wilty because who knows how long it's been in this container for. You know what? I didn't even check the expiration date now that I think about it. I bought this the other day, so it should be fine. My version, the mint is very fresh and strong. It's good. It tastes exactly the same. The Trader Joe's version has a little bit more spiciness to it. And also sweetness. I'm wondering, the dressing is way sweeter. It's like a little bit like overly sweet in the throat. But my version is just perfect balance of sweet and freshness. I choose this one. My version is just way more fresh and it made so much. If I'm on a pinch, I would choose this Trader Joe's one, but now that I see how sweet it is, I think I would prefer making my own. The dressing is overly sweet and I didn't even know that until I tried my version. As for price wise, this little salad, it's only 9 ounces, which is about a cup. It was $4.99. My version, I mean, look at the size of this. And all this arugula, it cost altogether about $25 to $30. And if I were to portion this into 1 cup portions, this would give me salad for about 20 days worth of lunch. So if you guys have the time, you saw how fast that was to put together. If you want to see me recreate any other recipe, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos weekly. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.